Hello, everybody. I'm on the Celebrace software, and I wanted to show you this case that the doctor used CBCT and also the intraoral scan, and that's why you see the bones. And let me turn off the bones, and that's why you see the real roots here as well on the Celebrace software. So let me first go to the top jaw here. You see how the teeth move from their initial position to their final position, and so that's the top teeth. And then let me turn on the indrik bonding tray. So here the doctor decided that he wants three pieces of indrik bonding tray for here from threes to sevens on the right and left side, and from two to two. So that's why you see three pieces of indrik bonding tray. And then now let me turn off the indrik bonding tray. Let me go to the bottom teeth. So here, actually, let me show you the X-ray. Here we have two bridges from lower left five, and towards distal, and also lower right five towards distal. And there are two bridges here, and the doctor requested to have tubes on lower fives, as you see here. So this is an interesting case that the doctor decided to have tubes, and only with Celebrace you can have tubes on fives because the surface of the teeth are so curved, and like a normal tube with traditional braces is not possible to be used on a premolar. But because with Celebrace we do 3D printing in metal, and everything is fully custom for the patient, so that's the reason that we can have that. We can have tubes for second premolars. And here also we have three pieces of indrik bonding tray, as you see in the software, for the lower arch. Let me turn off the bonding tray. So one other thing I wanted to tell you is that this patient has an open bite, and the doctor requested to have custom hooks on the upper laterals and lower laterals to ask the patient to wear anterior elastics to close this uh, anterior open bite. So again, having this customization of hooks is not possible with other systems, but um, with Celebrace we can 3D print these hooks as part of the bracket, and it's fully custom. So this is an interesting case. I wanted to tell you about this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for listening.